Item number 17, welcome Assembler Sharp Collins presenting AB 1433. Welcome.
I swear, I feel like I'm running a marathon, I'm telling you. So what time is it? Okay, good afternoon, Chair and members of the committee. Today, I am here to present AB 1433, a bill that addresses a longstanding equity gap in California's community college funding system by expanding access to critical student support resources for non-credit centers and standalone colleges. Non-credit programs are essential to California's workforce development. They offer job-specific training, ESL courses, and adult education programs that serve veterans, job seekers, immigrants, and individuals with disabilities, yet they are not funded equitably. Despite serving nearly 39,000 students in just 1 year, institutions like San Diego Continuing Education they are excluded from categorical funding streams that support services like academic advising, tutoring, mental health counseling, and disability accommodations. This bill does not take funding away from traditional community colleges. It simply ensures that non-credit centers and standalone colleges can access the same pool of funding to better serve their students. Without adequate funding, non-credit students are being left behind. These learners are just as deserving of wraparound support services that help them succeed in their courses, complete programs, and transition to employment. California's economic future depends on a skilled, inclusive workforce. Expanding funding eligibility will empower non-credit institutions to improve completion rates, build stronger community partnership, and better align with local labor market needs. If we are serious about equity in education and workforce development, then we must fully invest in all parts of our community college system, including those serving the most diverse and non-traditional learners. Currently, San Diego College of Continuing Education, San Diego Canyon College, and Mount San Antonio College will be eligible, and this bill will encourage other community colleges to invest in their non-credit programs and help in their expansion to non-traditional students. Supporting this bill means supporting working adults, immigrants, and underserved communities who are striving to gain the skills they need to succeed in today's demanding economy and have access to diverse educational opportunities. I am honored to be joined today with the San Diego Colleges of Continuing Education President, Dr. Tina King, and Carlos Morales, who is a student from the San Diego College of Continuing Education.
Thank you so much. Welcome.
Thank you all so much. Well, good afternoon, and thank you, Chair and members of the Assembly Higher Education Committee. A very special thank you to Assembly Member Dr. Lachey Sharp Collins for her support in authoring the bill. I'm here to speak in favor of Assembly Bill 1433. I'm Dr. Tina King. I serve as the president of San Diego College of Continuing Education, one of the institutions that is a part of the California Community College System. And I've been in education for over 20 years, and 10 years specifically in working in non-credit. I'm here to advocate for non-credit education, which is a vital piece of legislation that will strengthen workforce training across California by expanding opportunities for non-credit colleges, centers, and career development and college preparation programs. Non-credit colleges, centers, and career development college preparation programs play a unique role in workforce development by offering short-term, rapid upskilling and reskilling opportunities that directly address labor shortages and industry needs. Students take our classes for free and transition into the workforce or to the credit colleges. AB 1433 will establish a sustainable funding structure allowing for community college districts to expand workforce training by better providing them with resources to provide wraparound services to the students that we serve. Currently, there is not a defined definition that outlines the parameters for non-credit colleges and centers of education in Ed Code. Non-credit education is adult-serving, short-term education providing anyone with high-quality, cost-free, 100% free workforce training, education, and services that lift underserved students, residents out of poverty by providing pathways to good-paying jobs and transferring opportunities. As California's largest provider of adult education, we serve students who are adult learners amongst the lowest socioeconomic statuses. We serve students who are military veterans, single parents, homeless individuals striving to rebuild their lives. Additionally, AB 1433 will define what non-credit is in the Education Code and address the ability for non-credit institutions to receive critical funds for students' services as traditional community college students. By passing AB 1433, you can rectify this injustice by expanding funding eligibility, allowing non-credit institutions to better support veteran resource centers, disabled student programs and services, mental health services, and more. Governor Newsom's recently released master plan for career education emphasizes strengthening career pathways and increasing access to workforce training, goals that align with non-credit mission by strengthening career pathways. AB 1433 is essential to fulfilling this directive. This legislation is an investment in our future. Our career and technical education programs alone contribute to $250 million annually just in the San Diego economy, supporting 3,000 regional jobs each year. I urge your support for AB 1433 to ensure equitable access to vital student services for California's non-credit students. Again, thank you, Assemblymember Dr. Sharp Collins, for support, and I urge the remaining of the members to vote aye in support. In addition to my testimony, you will hear from one of our students who directly benefited from non-credit education, Carlos Morales.
Good afternoon, members of the committee. My name is Carlos Morales. I'm a proud recent graduate of the Apprenticeship Readiness Program at San Diego College of Continuing Education. Someone who has a bachelor's degree, I felt lost and struggling to find a suitable career path. I resolved to develop the professional skills that would help me build a reliable career in the trades, benefiting both my community and my personal growth. This field requires specialized skills that demand hard work and dedication. The Apprentice Readiness Program gave me the clarity and confidence, along with the tools, resources, and wraparound support to find my place and move forward. I was able to secure important certifications and have since joined the San Diego Sheet Metal Union, Local 206. The union has continued to support my development with vocational courses and consistent employment, helping me grow in this field and contribute to my community. My success is a direct result of the compassion and guidance of my instructors, assistants, faculty, and union leaders. I'm here to support the Assembly Bill 1433 because the backing I received at the non-credit College of Continuing Education was vital, and it should be not denied to others due to the lack of funding not afforded to non-credited colleges. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks to the San Diego Community College of Continuing Education, the San Diego County Building and Construction Trades Council, and the San Diego Workforce Partnership for making this opportunity possible. They have truly changed my life. Sorry. I hope others in my community will have the same chance for growth. I am a testament to the transformation that the AB 1433 will support. I am here today so others will have the same opportunity I had. Thank you for your time, and thank you for listening.
Thank you so much. Are there witnesses in support in the hearing room?
Tiffany Mock with CFT, proud to support this bill, and thank you so much to the folks who just spoke on its greatness.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Shakira Carter on behalf of San Diego College of Continuing Education and the San Diego Community College District in strong support.
Thank you. Are there witnesses in opposition in the hearing room? Are there tweeners in the hearing room? Colleagues, any questions or comments? We have a motion. Do we have a second? Second. Somewhere we'd like to close, please.
Thank you, Chair and members. I respectfully ask for your aye vote.
Thank you so much for bringing this important measure forward. Non-credit colleges and centers provide critical workforce education, as just provided by our amazing testimony here. And it makes us sense that we continue to provide those resources necessary to best serve student populations. With that, I look forward to supporting the measure today. Madam Secretary, roll call, please.
File item number 17, AB 1433. The motion is due pass to the Military and Veterans Affairs Committee. Fong.
Aye.
Fong, aye. DeMaio. Berner. Berner, aye. Jeff Gonzalez. Jackson. Jackson, aye. Marsucci. Patel. Patel, aye. Celeste Rodriguez. Celeste Rodriguez, aye. Sharp Collins.
Aye.
Sharp Collins, aye. Tongapaw. Tongapaw, aye.
The measure of 7 ayes will keep the roll open for additional members to add on.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.